It had been busy with the gala. Rusty and Prince were having a break before the final trains of the day. Rusty and Prince were meant to have a video chat yesterday, but it was too busy to. But they were happy to watch a bit of horse racing in between breaks. They were mad that a certain bad train had won. But anyway. So, Prince, I hear you went to the town and really like my brother Pesum Man did. Oh yes, said Rusty. It was fun. Oh, the Thomas Fiends. That was magnificent. There was real fans too. A lot of people. They also live streamed. Said Prince. So my buddies, Jerry and Albert, for saying that. Oh, that's magnificent. I'm happy to hear on this colory baby. Oh, you're telling me, said Rusty. By the way, do you know who's coming back from the works? Said Prince. No way! Scott Louie? Finally! I've been wanting to talk to him. Yes, said Rusty. So, you surprised dog off to you? Standing alone, I see. Where does the Hindu run off to? Ew, he went to the Corvus Railway. To the Railway Gala. He won't be back till next year. They're actually getting the overhaul scene though for this. That's nice. So he gets to meet his brother over there. Yes, Rusty. I know the railway closed. For so many years and only opened some number of years ago. Yeah. That's why I've never closed. We got lucky. And by the way, thank you for the new brother and sister. That was a quite lovely surprise. You met Grion and Rusty. Yeah. It was the secret project. The museum happily built him for us. And our works. Where the big engines get repaired. That was fun. So how are you meeting Gina then? Gia is a perfect sister for us. We haven't had a sister. Although there's rumors of something on Burns called the Western. So that wasn't still around. Yes, Sir Rusty, that us the branch. Yeah, you've visited Minnesota before. There's a railway on that property now called the Arstow Daily. They connected to the paddle pouch. The same American connecting to. Yeah. But isn't there another railway on that branch? So Rusty, the set chick. Yeah. Good to know. So Jerry's on that line then. Yes, Sir Rusty. So, what did you like the most about visiting the Talyllyn Railway? Me and our friends, Sir Rusty. Just like over here. By the way, I heard, do you remember this tank engine called Andrew. Andrew, the prince. No way. Yep, said Rusty. He was safe for scrap. He ended up in America. The museum is called the National Railroad Museum in Wisconsin. He's actually coming back to help celebrate the 200 years of railways. Ah, there's Jack Coleman and Talyllyn, said Prince. Yes! And the railway race is 80 years old too. I guess that makes sense for him to come back to visit. Was he visit the island before? Yes, said Rusty, quite a bit. We're quite happy though that he's coming back again. Turns out his sister was invited to see him for the same reason. Don't worry, she didn't end up stuck in the US. She comes back today. Oh, I remember her, said Prince. She helped down the Arsburg branch a few times in the old days of the Minnesota. Yeah, it'll be so good to see her again. I am looking forward to having a nice little chat with her. Oh, well then, you'll get your chance, said Rusty. So, who's coming back with her besides Andrew? Well, okay. I don't want to spoil it for the viewers. I'll just tell you off camera. Ah, good point. Well, thank you for watching, youngsters. Oh, look, here goes my brother Duke. Can we tell him too? Why not, said Rusty. Bye!